that sins can never block this reality in which Allah wants to grant us. The sins are like a darkness, and as much as you put upon and put upon and put upon, it will never block us from this reality. And the only thing that blocks us from this reality are bad manners. Because that bad manners will make a distance in which we separate from that reality and begin to move a distance away from that reality. And the turuq come and teach us that the hasanat and the blessings, that imagine all the sins in the world like a dark and blackened room, and all it takes is for one good action like a candle, and that candle can light a darkness that is unimaginable. It means every good deed is like a light, like a candlelight, and no matter how many bad deeds can never take out the light of that candle. It increases in darkness and darkness, but what it does do is it gives bad characteristic, and the bad characteristic comes within the heart and begins to make an aggression, an aggravation, and begin to separate us until Allah cuts that line. So then these are the turuqs, are the ways of good manners, the keeping the best of adab, the best of mannerisms, for they know that the secret into the Divine Presence are good manners. That all the sins in the world can be wiped in an instant, and the hasanat can never be taken away. Your good deeds can never be taken away. Nothing in any holy book describes that your good deed can be taken away, because what Allah gives, what Prophet give, what awliyaullah give, they never take back. When God gives you something, He never takes it back, otherwise He wouldn't have given it to you to begin with. It's not like our character when we don't like each other, say, give me that back. But what Allah gives, what the Divine gives, never takes back. And the good deeds are Allah's giving of light. That light can light up a darkness that we can't imagine. But what we can do is we can lose that goodness only through bad manners. Only through bad manners that goodness will begin to deplete and we begin to distance ourselves. So these are the schools of tarbiyah which they train us on having good manners, good akhlaq, good characteristics. Only way to lose hasanat in life is taqaybat. Only way to lose your hasanat is if you talk bad about somebody, you send bad messages and bad images, and you begin to speak badly about that person. That is Allah's way of taking and emptying your account. It means that if people think they can do good deeds and run away with the barakah, they merely begin inspiring into your heart, talk bad about that person. As soon as you talk bad, they can pull the entire account away. Because every talking bad, Allah will take away all the hasanat of the person you talked about. Allah will call that person and their souls, say, this soul been talking bad, what do you want to do? And Allah take the hasanat, the goodness and the good deeds and the light of that person and begin to send it to the one who's been backbiting, and send the sins and the sayyat and the darkness of that one upon the one who was backbiting. And Prophet then described his companions, have you seen someone who's bankrupt? Because impossible to lose hasanat and to lose blessings, and the only way to lose those blessings is by backbiting. So that's why the schools of manners and schools of mannerisms, all their training is on good character and good manners. We pray that in this holy month to receive these lights and to receive these blessings of Rajab, Shaban and Ramadan, that Allah include us in these lights, include us in good manners and good characteristics, so that Prophet be happy with us, awliyaullah be happy with us inshaAllah. We'll start with page 22.